All right, so we got a Bullymake box. It looks like it's going to be some sort of fishing theme. May. Bullymake chicken sticks. These are yummy for the doggies. I wonder if you can smell this through the bag. Just trying to find a weak point. And, I don't remember them ever putting a toy inside a plastic before. I wonder what's special about this one. It feels different than other balls. It has a hole back here. The plastic's more slick. It just feels different than the other toys. It looks like there's a hole for them to put their tongue through, and also a hole so that they don't create suction to get their tongue stuck. And it's a frog. Maybe there'll be some sort of directions in here. Let's see. We got some quackers. I'm not saying crackers wrong, it's called quackers. It says healthy dog treat. And this is the back information on that. So far we have 2 treat boxes and a toy. And something else called fresh raindrops. I think it might be a vegetarian dog treat. So probably only Lilu will eat this. And for the second toy is one of those hard plastic things that dogs can just like really chew on. Usually Ziggy's the one that goes for these. Are you disappointed with that? Yeah, she's disappointed with that. Sometimes she'll take it, but then she'll just set it down because it gets heavy. And here. Yeah. All right. So we have that Super Chew toy. This, I'll look up on the internet how to use that. Sorry I didn't look up stuff before I opened it. I'm sure it's something to do with putting treats inside. I bet you Lilu's gonna love that frog toy because she loves to work treats out of toys. Ziggy does too. Okay. Now we're gonna, on a second video, start on the bark box.